Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking the play button today. Today I'm going to be sharing a really quick tutorial on how I get my sleek twisted top knot bun. I've been rocking this hairstyle a couple times now. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a few posts of me rocking this hairstyle, and I thought I'd share with you guys how I actually get this look. Before I get into the video though, if you do not subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe below, and if you absolutely love this video, feel free to like and share it and leave a comment below to show some love. So let's get right into it. So I normally start off on dry hair and I spray my hair down with some water infused with hair growth oil just to moisturize it. Just gonna make sure I smooth in all that water. Then I'm gonna go in with my hard brush to slick down any loose strands and brush back my hair in a nice little bun. I'm gonna use some Gorilla Snot hair gel to slick down my hair. I know it doesn't sound very appealing, but I really like this hair gel because it's got such strong hold, and I only need a very small amount all over my head just to make sure all my strands are slicked down. I'm gonna use a hairband and put my hair in a nice little bun. Next up, I'm gonna use a scarf to lay down my ponytail and my edges. Then I actually make my twisted top knot with some Yaki hair, which I get from my local Afro-Caribbean hair shop. It's literally just $1.99 for this pack. It's quite a long bit of hair. It's about 84 inches long, and it comes in a ready-made braid. I'm gonna take off the elastic band, which normally is in the middle of the hair, because I don't like the pull of that band on my actual hair. And I'm gonna replace it with a headband. Next, I'm just gonna unravel this braid. Then I'm gonna take the headband and wrap it around my own little bun. Next up, I divide the hair in 3 sections and go ahead and braid it down. Because the hair is so long, this braid literally takes ages. Once I get to the bottom of the hair, I take the elastic band that I put away previously and tie it around the end of the hair so that the strands don't come loose when I wrap it around my actual bun. Now I'm gonna fold over the top bit of the braid over my actual bun so it hides my natural bun, and then I'm gonna twist the massive braid around in a bun. So I'm just gonna take some hairpins and make sure my bun is fixed down so that I can literally whip my head back and forth and this bun does not come off. To be honest, I will recommend using as many hairpins as you can just to make sure that everything stays in place. And the good thing is with hairpins, if you fix them properly, no one would actually see them and they're nicely concealed. And there's my bun, guys. It's slightly messy, but I think it looks good. I don't mind wearing it messy. I really hope you guys enjoy that tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you absolutely love this video, please hit the like button and feel free to share this video and leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this hairstyle. If you've tried it before, let me know what you think. If you do love it just like I do, and if you've not tried it before, let me know as well if you are going to try this out. Thanks again, guys, once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.